Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. On my screen here guys, you can see PartnerStack. So if you're a content creator, a publisher, or whatever it is and you need to join an affiliate program, PartnerStack is a really good choice. And I'm going to show you how it works and how you can easily navigate and use this. So it's a really easy platform to use, and within a couple of minutes you will learn how to use it very easily. So from the homepage here right here, guys, you can see that you have a welcome, right? And right here, you can see that it started showing some affiliate offers, and it's very easy to just simple click and join a program. If you scroll on a bit more, you can see a section where it shows all of those accepted partners that you have, so you can see their names, you can see their status, the clicks that you're getting, revenue, sign up, and all those good stuff. And not only that, but if you have any companies that are sending you affiliate offers, you can see that you have them on the invitations as well. So here you can find all the invitations and you can click on those invitations to open them. So let's say I want to look at Cloud Talk. I can open up this invitation, and right here is going to pop up on the right hand side, and I can just simply click join, or I can say decline this invitation, right? You scroll on a little bit more on the page and it will show you your paid commissions. If you're earning some money, it will show those clicks, those signups, and all those good stuff right here. Now, the next tab is about your commissions. Again, it's going to show you your commissions. Here, it will also show that you can set up your withdrawal account. So if you want to set up a direct deposit or PayPal or Stripe, you can do that. Simply click and set up withdraw, and from here choose the method that you want. So let's say I wanted to do, for example, PayPal. I click on that and just enter my details. Go ahead and connect my PayPal to my PartnerStack account, right? So important stuff right here that you want to set up once you join PartnerStack to ensure that you can receive your payment. Next tab here is reporting. Again, it shows you those different clicks that you're getting, those unique clicks, those signups, those paid customers and transactions, and of course revenue. And you have the pending commissions and paid commissions right here. Very simple view. You can filter to see whatever you want from here. You'll also find the link performance to see how those links are working, and you also find the commissions that you're getting right here, right? Next tab is about discover. So if you're trying to find new partners, this is where you find them. So from here, you can either search for a specific partner or company yourself. So whatever it is that you're trying to find, you can try to search for it and see if it's available on PartnerStack, and you can simply search for that. So if I was trying to find Monday.com, I could simply type in Monday, and as you can see, it is there, right? If I was trying to find something like ManyChat, if I type in ManyChat, you can see that it's there as well. So you can just simply search for something, see if it's there. If it doesn't, if it's not there, then it simply means that it's not on PartnerStack. So from here as well, you can see some PartnerStack network market. So you can just take this as the PartnerStack marketplace where you can search for different companies and join their affiliate programs. Right here, you can browse by categories, and you can see that you can just click on each and just basically see what's there. You can click on the see all programs right here as well to see all the companies listed. Under this section here, it is also really nice because you can see the top companies that are here, or let's say the trending ones as well. You can find them as well, and you can join those as well. And you have them under the different categories. You can scroll down and you can see a lot. If you want to check within a specific category that stand out to you, let's say you want to go to the customer service or the design, look towards the right and simply click and explore all, and you will be taken over to that page where you can see all of them. So as I scroll through, you see many more. So if I'm interested in social media and I want to see more, click and explore all, and it's taking me all over here to taking me over where I can see all those 17 different programs available on PartnerStack as it relates to the social media niche. Now I'm going to show you what's here as well. On the upper right hand side, you have your notifications. It shows those 600 notifications. I can click on them. It's showing me all of these as well, and I can mark as read or leave them as is. Now let's click and go into more settings. I'm going to click my profile on the upper right hand side, and here you have your network profile. This is basically your profile that shows all your details about your account. Then you have your members and invitees. So if you have any members there, you will be able to see that as well. You have the roles and permission to manage that as well right here. You have the commissions tab. You have the integration tab where you can easily connect HubSpot if you want to, and you have your team settings. Let's go back to the upper right. We already covered members and invitees, and team settings is the same section here. So let's jump onto my account. Here you can upload an image if you want. You can fill out your account details and so forth, your address, all of those good stuff. And at the bottom, you can easily go ahead and change language if you so desire, right? So if you want to change your language, This is how you can find it under my account. You have your notifications tabs right here as well, where you can see all of the notifications for all the partners that you're partnering with, and you can set if you want to receive partner updates or message notification, whichever one you want. You can filter those as you like and click save changes. You have your team right here. You have your API. If you need an API for PartnerStack, you can go ahead and create API keys, your post box, your security settings as well, where you can easily go ahead and add certain details that you wish, such as your email address, phone number, password. You can manage Google authentication. You can manage email settings, text messages, and all those good stuff. And if you want to delete your account from here, you have the option to contact support as well to get that done. And again, you have the language and notifications, which we just go through. And of course, you can sign out from here. It is a super easy platform to use, as I showed you guys, and that's pretty much it. If you want to join any affiliate program, just simply go to the Discover, find the one that you wish to join, and I'm going to show you right here. So let's say I want to become part of ManyChat. I click on ManyChat right here, and you will see right here that I can easily apply for the program. So simple click on apply, and by using this, it makes it super easy. You just want to go ahead and fill out all the details right here. So just go ahead and fill in it. So you have your company name or your channel name or your business name, your phone number, select your country right here. Again, you answer these easy questions that you have. They're super easy to answer. And once you go ahead and fill in everything, just choose that you accept and confirm all of these and just simple click and submit your application. It is as easy as that. Once it's approved, you will receive an email that is approved, and you will be able to find it under your account. You'll be able to find them right here from the homepage, guys, or on the upper right, you can see your programs. You can click on that and it shows you all the programs that you are a part of, and you can always click on them. So let's say I want to click on ClickUp, and click on that, it takes me right over to the ClickUp page. And last thing I want to show you right here, you may be wondering, how do you manage those affiliate links for that? Now, once you are accepted into a program, you will be able to click on those companies or those partner programs that you have. And right here, as I did for ClickUp, you just want to scroll down on the page and you will find details right here. So you can see the details right here. You scroll down, you have the link right here. But if you want to create your own custom link, let's say you're doing it for multiple channels or multiple business and you want to have those specific unique custom link, click on links on the left hand side. And from here, you will have the option to create custom links. So simply click and create a custom link from here and go ahead and type in whatever you want and basically fill in the details and click create link. And from there, you'll be able to create a custom link. And that's all there is to it, guys. This is so easy it is to use PartnerStack. I really hope you found value within this video. If you want to join PartnerStack, click the link in the description of this video. It's my affiliate link. And all you have to do is just go ahead and sign up and join PartnerStack today. It's as easy as that, guys. Very easy and very simple.